I have completed section number 12, intro and deep dive into centralized exchanges. I hope you also completed it. Now let's move on to the last section of this Sophomore track, which is build your own decentralized exchange like Uniswap. So let's start it. Okay, now it's time for you to launch a DeFi exchange for your crypto dev tokens. Okay, so requirements: build an exchange with only one asset pair, Ethereum to crypto dev. Your decentralized exchange should take fees of 1% on swaps. When user add liquidity, they should be given crypto dev LP tokens, liquidity provider tokens. CDLP tokens should be given proportional to the ether user is willing to add to the liquidity. All prerequisite you have completed CO tutorial. Yes, we have completed. You have completed the intro and deep dive into exchange. Yes, we have completed. Hope you guys already also completed it, and you have completed the provider singers, APIs, and approval flows. Yes, we have also created it. I think this one. Yes. So let's start with the smart contract. Okay. To build a smart contract, we would be using hard hat. Okay, we all know about the hard hat as we have covered previously. Now let's start it. Okay, let's create a folder with the name Unisep. So everything will be organized. Now let's create a new folder. Uniswap. Now create a folder inside at Uniswap with the name of hard hat tutorial. Let's create a folder hard hat tutorial. Right click on it, open an integrated terminal. Now let's run command. Yarn init s. Now let's next command, which is yarn install hard hat. Yarn add hard hat. Okay, so complete. Now create a sample app hard hat. It is create a sample project. So created it. Now add these dependencies.